This is a 2011 Suzuki 600. I was just about to head out for a ride, but I figure I'd do a quick sound clip of the exhaust. I have a full-length Yoshimura R77 exhaust. It has the carbon tip here. It also comes with this little badge here, competition used only. I don't know if that's something that has to do with it being a full exhaust, or if they all come with that sort of tip on it, or that little badge on it, but whatever. Figure I'd let you guys know that that's there. I also have a BMC race filter and a power commander on this bike, so you know, take it for what it's worth. Hopes this helped you guys shopping. Happy riding.